Welcome back to Mastering Airport English. In today's video, we'll talk about how to use public transportation from the airport in English. Knowing how to ask for directions and transportation options will help you get to your destination smoothly, whether it's by bus, train, or subway. Let's go through some key phrases and questions to help you navigate public transportation like a pro. First, when you're ready to leave the airport, look for the information desk or ask an airport staff member about transportation options. You can start with, "Excuse me, what are my options for public transportation from the airport?" Or, "Could you tell me the best way to get to destination using public transportation?" This way, you'll learn about the buses, trains, or other transit options available. If you have a specific mode of transportation in mind, ask directly. For example, if you're interested in taking the train, you could say, "Is there a train that goes to destination from the airport?" Or, "Could you show me where the airport train station is located?" These questions will help you find the right transport and avoid unnecessary delays. Once you know your options, ask about the cost of tickets to plan your budget. You can ask, "How much does a ticket cost to destination?" Or, "What's the fare for the bus or train to get to the city center?" Knowing the cost up front helps you prepare with the right amount of cash or card if needed. Most public transportation systems offer different ticket types. To learn more, ask, "Is there a one-way ticket, or do I need a return ticket as well?" Or, "Are there day passes available for tourists?" Day passes are often more economical if you plan to use public transportation multiple times during your trip. After purchasing a ticket, you may want to ask about the departure schedule to avoid long waits. You could say, "When is the next train/bus to destination?" Or, "How frequently do the buses run from here?" This will give you a clear idea of the waiting time and help you plan your trip more accurately. If you're worried about where to get off, don't hesitate to confirm by asking, "Could you let me know the stop for destination?" Or, "How will I know when to get off at my stop?" Many drivers or fellow passengers are happy to help, especially if you're new to the area. When you're ready to board, confirm the direction to make sure you're on the right route. Ask a transit staff member or driver, "Does this bus/train go to destination?" Or, "Is this the correct line for the city center?" This helps ensure you don't end up going the wrong way. Finally, thank the staff or anyone who helps you along the way by saying, "Thank you very much for your help," or, "I appreciate your assistance in helping me find my way." Showing gratitude makes your interactions more pleasant and leaves a positive impression. Let's quickly review these key phrases for using public transportation from the airport. "Excuse me, what are my options for public transportation from the airport?" "Is there a train that goes to destination from the airport?" "How much does a ticket cost to destination?" "Are there day passes available for tourists?" "When is the next train/bus to destination?" "Could you let me know the stop for destination?" "Does this bus/train go to destination?" Thank you very much for your help. Using these phrases will make it easier to navigate public transportation from the airport and help you reach your destination without stress. Remember, asking clear questions is the best way to get the information you need to travel confidently. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more essential travel English tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.